What is good, bag chasers? It's your girl violettalemone, and welcome back to my channel. However, if you are new to my channel, then welcome. Wait, did you say something? Oh, you said you like my hair? Hey, thank you. You know what? I had to switch it up for y'all a little bit. Them braids had your girl on a chokehold. Wait, did you say something else? Oh, you like my backdrop too? Hey, come on, keep gassing me up. No, but ironically, that is exactly what we're going to be talking about. For starters, I am in love with these curtain lights. I've seen a lot of creators with this in the background, and I'm like, I want to go ahead and give that a try. And I am so happy I did because it makes my room pop. It makes it more vibrant and just, you know, the ambiance is there. And halfway into putting up these lights, I realized, oh my gosh, I need to film this because I know that there are people out there who are starting YouTube channels and want a different backdrop, or in general, there are people who want to transform their room. And so today I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full product review. I'm going to link all the products in my description box so you can go ahead and buy them. And I'm going to show you guys how to hang them up. I'm really excited because my room is about to be popping. So to transform my room, I had to buy 5 products from Amazon. So what you see in the background are these curtain lights, and that is what I have right here. These are from Amazon, only $19.99. And y'all, it got some really good reviews, almost 5 stars and over 68,000 ratings. So I went ahead and caught me this. And then obviously the other thing that you see in the background are these vines here. And these vines were $17.99. And you only need 1 package of this, but I'm warning you guys, when you open this pack, it does smell. I read in the reviews on all different vines that they smell like fish for some reason. So I had to spray these down with Febreze. Now, I don't know why they smell like this or if they're on some fisherman's boat or whatever, but regardless, it still looks cute and it did not smell up my room. All I did was Febreze it, let it air out a little bit, and it's good to go. No bad smells. Also, I forgot to mention, when it comes to these string lights, this is 1 pack that is behind me, and I realized that I wanted to go ahead and buy another pack, so that's why I have another one right here, and I wanted to go ahead and finish my wall. Originally, I was not planning to do so because my bed is over there, and I thought I was just going to do a backdrop, but I realized it would look a lot better if my wall was finished. And y'all, another thing that your girl had to cop from Amazon just to make my room have some more ambiance are these copper wire fairy lights. What I'm going to do is hang them right below my ceiling, and they're going to go along the edges of my wall. This product is only $17.99 and it got 4.5 stars and 10,000 ratings. And the 5th product that I bought is going to be super obvious, but I had to get me some command hooks. Now, obviously this is not the original packaging, but the hooks came with 45 clips and it was only $10. These are mini clear clips, and they were perfect for hanging up these kind of lights and vines, and they came with plenty. So when I got started, guys, this is what my wall started to look like. However, as you can see on this right side of my wall, I ran out of lights and I decided that I want to go ahead and buy the other curtain lights to just finish my wall. And so originally I was going to keep it like this just for filming purposes, but I decided that it would look way better if I were to add the rest, right? And while we are here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the different patterns that this light has. And so this is the plug and the little remote that is attached to it. And so let me click here on this button that's off. There's the first pattern, the second one, the third one, 4th one, 5th one, oop, that's gonna give me a seizure, 6th one, 7th one, and 8th one, where the lights are just on. When you open the curtain lights, this is what it looks like. Just remove the twisty tie. How they twist it like this? Is this like childproof? Because I can't open this. Lord. Be smarter than a tie, Violetta. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And I advise you, do not untwist any of these individually before hanging them up. What you need to do instead is strip these along the wall first and then take these down and unravel them. Oh, and I should also mention that these lights come with a male and female plug, meaning that because I already hung up the same types of lights, I do not need to plug this in again. However, what I can do is just attach this end to a similar end that is already on my wall, and the lights can just continue on. So I thought that was really cool. Oh God, I was nervous. Now that we know it works, it is time for the hanging. That sounded more medieval than I wanted it to. So I'm simply just grabbing my lights and where's it at? Attaching it like so. Like, that's super simple, right? So I figured I wanted to go ahead and show you guys that because I was nervous when I was about to put this on. I was not sure how it worked because I've never done anything like this. But as you go along, you realize, oh, it's actually not that bad. Okay, so this is what it looks like when each of them are hung up on the command hook. Like I said, you do not unravel them until all of it is hung up. Ooh, guys, it is perfect. Yay, it reaches it perfectly, so I don't need an extension cord or nothing. I am hype. Okay, let's unravel this. Guys, I got these all hung up. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in to see what it looks like.
Yo, this looks so good. Okay, bitch. Look at you all fancy or whatever.
So now the next thing I'm going to do is hang up these fairy lights. Before I hang them up, let me go ahead and show you what they look like and everything that it comes with. So here are the fairy lights, and it comes with its own remote attached. But in addition, it has a separate remote for you. And this is the plug-in for the USB. Let me plug it in and show you guys its different functions. So this is what it looks like lit up. And let's get the remote. So there's a brightness mode, then that's the off button, and I think this changes the patterns. So there's a brightness. So okay, it has different levels, which is really cool. Now let's do the patterns. Oh, that is so pretty. Here's another one. Oh, nope, not that. I don't like those. I don't like those flashy ones. Why do they do those? Makes me have a panic attack. This one's not that bad. Okay, so I think that was 5 patterns. I love this. And the remote, I don't know, it's really cool. And it has this like sticky part on the back, so I can like attach it to my wall or something to where it is more discreet. Let me go ahead and show you guys how the command hooks work. It is super simple. So these are the tabs that it comes with, and they pull apart like so. And as you can see, there are 2 sides to this tab. And with this black side, it says wall on it. And so this is going to be the part that you stick to the wall. And this is going to be the part that is actually attached to the command hook. And so what you do is that you take the wall part off first, like so. Unpeel that. Sorry if you guys can't see very well. And then you will attach it to the wall. After you attach it to the wall, you need to rub it in for like 30 seconds so that way it sticks to the wall. And then after that, unpeel this front part. It's going to be sticky as well. And that is what you put the command hook on. Okay guys, so I'm slightly irritated because the way that they package these lights, like, I guess you have to make sure that you untangle it all before you start to hang them up, which I don't understand because these other lights, the same ones come with like an applicator, like those little roll things, so you just roll them out as you go. And these ones like were more strenuous and just time consuming to unravel these. So I am irritated because this should not be taking this long. The way that it came packaged was like there was copper wire wrapped around this and like stuck in the hole, so it was just kind of hard to decipher how to untangle it in the first place. It just kind of made the job harder than what it needed to be.
Y'all, I'm really digging this remote. So from here, I can change the setting in addition to how bright I want the light, and you can even add a timer to the lights as well. And of course, you have to be at a closer distance for this remote to work.
Guys, I am so obsessed with my room. Everything turned out perfectly. I mean, there were some irritating little bumps, but nothing that I could not handle. So if you found this video helpful to you, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your girl and turn those notifications on so you know the next time that I post, which is every week. You already know. And while we're at it, go ahead and follow your girl on Instagram. That's violettalemone, no underscore, no caps, no spaces. And I know it's a shameless plug, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay guys, I got a whole ass mess that I need to clean up, so let me get my life together and I'll see y'all soon. Bye y'all.